Torrential slide cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $13.9500 a coin, which generally is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 13.7500 14.1200 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 13.8100 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. The change especially was plus 0.1400, plus 1.01%, or so they essentially thought. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $13.24, most extreme 14.17, kind of least 12.31, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide figure on Friday, July 21, cost $13.34, most certainly greatest 14.27, least 12.41 in a kind of significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $12.85, for the most part greatest 13.75, least 11.95, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, costs $13.02, kind of greatest 13.93, really least 12.11, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, costs $13.52, truly greatest 14.47, for the most part least 12.57, or so they by and large thought. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $14.65, in every way that really matters, greatest 15.68, least 13.62 in an essentially significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $14.37, truly most extreme 15.38 in every practical sense, least 13.36 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $14.24, sort of greatest 15.24, least 13.24, which generally is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $14.04, by and large most extreme 15.02, certainly least 13.06, or so they in every practical sense thought. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 2, costs $13.98, all things considered, most extreme 14.96, truly least 13.00, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $14.96, exceptionally most extreme 16.01, least 13.91, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $15.39, for the most part greatest 16.47, exceptionally least 14.31, showing how torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, July 25, costs $13.02, genuinely most extreme 13.93, sort of least 12.11 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $15.05, greatest 16.10, essentially least 14.00 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $14.65, greatest 15.68, least 13.62, which in every practical sense is very huge. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $14.42, sort of greatest 15.43, fundamentally least 13.41, which in a real sense is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $14.54, extremely greatest 15.56, least 13.52 in a quite huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $14.67, lovely greatest 15.70, for the most part least 13.64 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide figure on Monday, August 14, cost $14.65, greatest 15.68, truly least 13.62, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $15.05, essentially greatest 16.10, really least 14.00, in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month, torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $15.45, genuinely most extreme 16.53, genuinely least 14.37, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $14.45, certainly greatest 15.46, in every way that really matters, least 13.44 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $14.48, by and large most extreme 15.49, especially least 13.47 in a kind of significant manner. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax conversion standard, genuinely equivalent to 0.0717 coins per $1, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Today's reach, 0.0708, 0.0727 in a quite enormous way. The past day's nearby, 0.0724, change for now 0.0007, 0.97%. United States dollars to Avax cost conjecture 4. In the not-so-distant future and month, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.076 coins, greatest 0.081, least 0.071, which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 0.075 coins, certainly greatest 0.081, really least 0.070. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Monday, July 24, cost 0.078 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.084, beautiful least 0.073, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.077 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.083 in every practical sense, least 0.072, or so they essentially thought. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.074 coins, most extreme 0.080, truly least 0.069, so torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $14.67, certainly greatest 15.70, by and large least 13.64. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.068 coins, really greatest 0.073 in every practical sense, least 0.064, or so they basically thought. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Friday, July 28, cost 0.070 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.075.